Hope you are fine now. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel. Click the subscribe button now. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies you are watching now. It's a very good news. First of all, I congrats all Vechain holders. As you can see here, the change is a positive 2.96% change in the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last previous 1 hour. In the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies as $0.085631 is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last previous hour. As we can see the chart of the Vechain cryptocurrencies, so they are a good. As you can see here, their jumping time, man, celebrate Vechain holders. That is your day, that is your time. Vechain cryptocurrencies are going up. It's a jumping time of Vechain cryptocurrencies. It's the best time to buy a Vechain cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of money, as you can see here. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour of Vechain cryptocurrencies? As you can see here, the result is also in a positive 1.91% change is in Vechain cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. As you can see here, the chart is also a positive. That is the best time to buy a Vechain cryptocurrencies and make a good profit. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hours you are watching now. Please subscribe to this tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.